In this video, I show you how to make a loop scarf with finger knitting. To make a scarf, I use 3 balls of yarn. I start with a slip knot. To do this, I lay the 3 wool threads in front of me on the table. Then I take the beginnings of the threads and make a loop. I then place the loop on the threads in the direction of the yarn balls. Now I hold the yarn beginnings with one hand, and with the other hand I pull the threads that lie under the loop. I put the slip knot around the thumb of my left hand and tighten it a little. Now I lead the wool threads behind the index finger, in front of the middle finger, behind the ring finger and in front of the little finger. Then I go back on the other side of each finger. Now I go around the whole hand with the threads coming from behind. Then I pull the loop from the little finger over the threads and the little finger. I do the same with the ring finger, the middle finger and the index finger. The newly created loops I can push down a little. Now I go again around the whole hand with the threads coming from behind and pull the loops over the fingers. First with the little finger, then with the ring finger, the middle finger and the index finger. Then I push the loops down again. I now repeat this a few times. Now I no longer need the loop around the thumb. I can take it away from the thumb and pull on it at the back. Then I continue knitting. In between, I pull at the back of the beginning. A round, tube-like knit is formed. I continue knitting until the knit fits around the neck several times so that it becomes a cozy loop scarf. I finish the finger knitting by first cutting the threads about 20 centimeters or 8 inches long. Then I pull them from the top into the loop on the little finger and pull the loop away from the little finger. I repeat the same on the ring finger, middle finger and index finger. This completes the knitting. To finish the scarf, I knot the beginning and the end of the knit together and cut off the excess threads.